This is our lecture number 49. In this lecture, we are studying today the present continuous tense and its structures. So the first structure of the present continuous tense is simple positive structure. The structure is subject plus M is R, it means be verb is there, MV plus ing plus O plus C plus full stop. And the example of this structure is I am throwing a ball upon the ground. So this is the sentence. And when we analyze this sentence, then we know that I is there the subject, M is there the verb, that is the helping verb, and throwing is there the main verb. So this M is the helping verb which has come from the be, that is to be verb, and then a ball is the object and upon the ground is the object or complementing words or phrase we can say. Then the second structure of this tense is simple negative structure. So the structure is subject plus M is R plus not. It means M not means yamant, is not means isn't, and are not means aren't, plus MV plus ing. It means the verb plus ing means go plus ing going, do plus ing doing, like this. Then object, then complement, and then full stop. Again I will tell you here that when we write the sentence, then we forget the full stop at the end of the sentence. So we should give the full stop at the end of the sentence. Now we will see some examples as per this structure. The first example is I am not going there, we are not going there, you are not going there, they are not going there, or he is not going there, she is not going there, or it is not going there. These are the structures, and these structures we have made from the second structure, that is the simple negative structure. Now the third structure is positive interrogative, that is the question structure. Means this structure is used here to ask a question to the person who is before us, and then that person gives the answer to the questions which we have asked to him. So the structure is M is R plus yes, that is the subject, plus MV plus ing, plus O, that is object, plus C, that is complement, plus question mark. There is the question mark because this is the question structure. This structure shows a question, so that's why we have given there the question mark at the end of this structure. So we will see some examples with the help of this structure. The first example is, am I helping me now? Am I helping me now? Then, are we helping us now? Are you helping him now? Are they helping him now? Is he helping him now? Is she helping him now? Is it helping him now? So such are the sentences which are made with the help of this positive interrogative or question structure. Then fourth structure of the present continuous tense is negative interrogative or question structure. That is called negative interrogative. Means we can ask the questions, negative questions, with the help of this structure to the person who is before us, and again that person gives us the answer to the questions which we have asked to him. So the structure is M is R plus subject plus not plus MV plus ing plus O plus C plus question mark. Again I will read the structure. M is R. It means this M is R are the helping verbs, and these verbs have come from the be verb, that is to be verb. Then there is the subject. We know the subject. Then there is the not. We have taken their not because this is the negative structure, and that's why we have taken their not. Then MV plus ing. MV plus ing means we are doing here the sentence or structure of the continuous tense, and that's why we have taken their ing to the main verb. Then there is the object. O means what? Object. And C means complement. And then there is the question mark. Don't forget to give the question mark at the end of the structure because it is the question structure. So we will see some examples. So the first example is, am I not going now? Am I not going now? Is he not going now? Is she not going now? Is it not going now? Means in this way we can prepare the sentences with the help of this. These are all structures in the tense of present continuous. Then again, are we not going now? Are we not going now? Are you not going now? Are they not going now? In this way we can prepare the questions. Then the last structure of the present continuous tense is S-no type questions or verbal questions. They are called the S-no type questions or the verbal questions because these questions we can ask, and the person to whom we have asked the question gives us the answer in yes or no sense, and that's why these structures or this structure or these sentences are called the S-no type questions. So the first is, am I eating now? Am I eating now? So the answer is yes, I am eating now, or no, I am not eating now. So here we can answer in the yes or no sense, and that's why they are called the S-no type questions. Is she eating now? Yes, she is eating now. No, she is not eating now. So in this way we can ask the questions. Here we have finished today's topic or today's lecture. Again I will request you that you will not go outside because the corona is outside and it is waiting for us to kill, and that's why be happy in homes and don't go outside. Thank you very much.